We're going to look at the chat system used for the online section of CS 151. So if you go to the links and lectures, there is a link CS Chat with Mattermost. And if we go there, I'm going to show you, so we'll go to the link. I already have it open over here, and I'll show you in a second what it looks like when you haven't logged in. So here I've already logged in, and so we're going to have, it's a chat system. We're going to have a private channel just for our course, but I'm going to add in the graduate assistants in just a moment. Let me do that. Okay, I've just added the grad students to this channel, so they'll be able to see this channel as well. I can type welcome to CS 151. So you'll see, and then I could, you could reply to that. So this is a reply. That's exciting. Then I could also put in here code. I believe it was like so there's formatting stuff that we can do, and I don't remember the rules. I'll have to look them up again as we get started here. Maybe bold, no. Yeah, bold and italics. And if I want to attach a file, then I could attach a file. Of course, I don't want to attach that one. Let's create a file in well, that already exists, so we'll go with that one. All right, so we'll attach let's do this. Should I add a comment? So now there's a file, and if we click on it, it displays nicely. So this is the formatting here and the way the replies are and the way that we can give code is much nicer for programming class than using the Blackboard discussion that's available to us in the University Blackboard. Okay, so this is where we're going to do discussion. If you have questions, post it here first. Post it to the course as a whole. Because if you have a question, probably other people have the same question. If you recall, the way we're doing attendance in this course is I want to see that you're logged into the CS server at least 3 times a week with at least an hour, so I can check that. There's commands for that, so that I can check and add up people's login information. If you're just doing the assignments, then that'll all be fine, and I'll give you a way to check that as well. Okay, so one is that you're actually logging into the server and working on your assignments. The other is that you're participating in some way here, and what I was suggesting to help me is the first time you post for a week. This is my first post of the week, but then you might have a reply to somebody else. I'm answering someone's question. Okay, and then points, my third post of the week for points. And of course, if this is what your posts were, I would not give you credit for those because those are not meaningful. Um, those are all examples of how to post here. All right. So this is the chat system. Mostly you're going to use it to ask questions about how to do the homework or anything, and check in on how other people are doing as well. Since I'm giving you points for it, you'll do it. So now I'll show you before you are logged in what it's going to look like. So I'm going to log out here. You won't see this screen ever because you're not an administrator. Okay, so when you go to judy.indstate.edu, that's the link, CS Chat with Mattermost, you'll see this, and you won't have an account yet, so you need to create one. And I want you to use your at sycamores.indstate.edu. So whatever your at Sycamores, and I want you to also use your username as your portal ID as well. And why don't we say your first name? So this will have your last name in it. So you'll lead with that, and that'll make it easy if I'm doing some auto checks of things. I'll have your portal ID there, but then you can put your first name. Okay, so you would do that. You pick a password. It does not have to be your portal password, and you click create account. It'll send you an email and do whatever the email tells you to do. Okay, so I will include a suggestion of something to do